Mastering ISO 19600. Leadership must harmonize vision, mission, and values to ignite a culture of excellence. How can an organization's leadership ensure that its objectives are set and aligned with its operational excellence strategy, taking into account its overall vision, mission, and values, and are communicated effectively to all stakeholders to drive a culture of excellence throughout the organization? In order to ensure that an organization's objectives are set and aligned with its operational excellence strategy, taking into account its overall vision, mission, and values, and are communicated effectively to all stakeholders to drive a culture of excellence throughout the organization, the leadership should take the following steps. 1. Define and review the organization's vision, mission, and values. The leadership should start by reviewing and refining the organization's vision, mission, and values to ensure they are clear, concise, and aligned with the operational excellence strategy. This will provide a solid foundation for setting objectives that are aligned with the organization's overall direction. 2. Conduct a SWOT analysis. Conduct a SWOT analysis to identify the organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This will help identify areas where the organization can improve and opportunities to leverage its strengths to drive operational excellence. 3. Develop a balanced scorecard. Develop a balanced scorecard that outlines the organization's objectives across 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. This will provide a comprehensive framework for setting and tracking objectives that are aligned with the operational excellence strategy. 4. Set SMART objectives. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound (SMART) objectives that are aligned with the balanced scorecard and operational excellence strategy. These objectives should be prioritized and cascaded throughout the organization to ensure everyone is working towards the same goals. 5. Cascade objectives to all levels. Cascade the objectives to all levels of the organization, including departments, teams, and individual employees. This will ensure that everyone understands how their work contributes to the achievement of the organization's objectives and operational excellence strategy. 6. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs. Establish KPIs to measure progress towards the objectives. These KPIs should be relevant, measurable, and actionable, and should be tracked and reviewed regularly to ensure the organization is on track to achieving its objectives. 7. Communicate objectives and progress. Communicate the objectives and progress towards them to all stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and investors. This can be done through various channels, including town hall meetings, departmental meetings, regular updates, and performance dashboards. 8. Involve and engage stakeholders. Involve and engage stakeholders in the objective setting process to ensure their needs and expectations are taken into account. This can be done through surveys, focus groups, and regular feedback mechanisms. 9. Provide training and development. Provide training and development opportunities to ensure employees have the skills and knowledge required to achieve the objectives and drive operational excellence. 10. Regularly review and refine objectives. Regularly review and refine the objectives to ensure they remain relevant and aligned with the organization's operational excellence strategy. This should be done at least annually, or more frequently as needed. 11. Recognize and reward excellence. Recognize and reward excellence and achievements towards the objectives to drive a culture of excellence throughout the organization. This can be done through employee recognition programs, bonuses, and other incentives. 12. Embed a culture of continuous improvement. Embed a culture of continuous improvement throughout the organization, encouraging employees to identify areas for improvement and providing the resources and support needed to implement changes. 13. Establish a governance structure. Establish a governance structure to oversee the operational excellence strategy and ensure it remains aligned with the organization's overall vision, mission, and values. 14. Monitor and review progress. Monitor and review progress towards the objectives on a regular basis, using data and analytics to inform decision-making and drive continuous improvement. By following these steps, an organization's leadership can ensure that its objectives are set and aligned with its operational excellence strategy, taking into account its overall vision, mission, and values, and are communicated effectively to all stakeholders to drive a culture of excellence throughout the organization.